Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Adeles Rescue channel, and today I'm doing a collab. And what we're doing is we're taking a red-headed Barbie and we're making this outfit for them in the capris and the little, it's not really a halter, it's not really a crop top, it's just a little, I don't know, summer top. I guess it could be called a crop top. I sent out some of these Barbies, number 161 of the Fashionistas, and for those of you who received them, I just saw them on Amazon. They had just a few left and they were $27.99 each. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, I love this girl. I think she is so pretty. I wish they would have done her lips a little different, but I don't know what. I don't know, maybe more of a tan, natural color. I love her. So what we did was we each had the pattern. We each had the red-headed Barbie. Actually, Ellie Nefret was going to do hers free-handed. God love her. Okay, here's who's in the collab today. Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, or Tina's Barbies. Cynthia with Ambrosia's Dollhouse. Ellie at Ellie Nefret. Tracy with Eclectic Wondering. J Dolls UK. Karen at Starts and Stitches, Crystal at KC's Joy, and Haiti at Haiti Garfias. And we all made this little outfit here, and we had to tweak the pattern just a little bit. The top fit as was, but the pants fit this type Barbie. This is my favorite Barbie, as simple as she is. I absolutely love her face and hair. Love her. We had to tweak the pants a little bit to make them fit, but not a lot. And it was a lot of fun. I'm real pleased. I do want to tell you that I bought a pair of human size in the biggest, I think I got like 4X leggings, but this red or maroon or faded red, it's not really a pink either, and it's not really a rose. Anyway, this piece here was all over the print, but never symmetric or the same length of sides. You know, it was always different. So that's why it's not that I didn't match it up, it's that it doesn't match up. But I liked it. I thought it'd be cute on her, and it kind of looks like on her the same way it does on the leggings I cut up. I want to thank everybody that's in the collab today. They will be listed below. Please go by and check out their channels and see what they made today. Thank you for watching the Adeles Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.